Welcome to Manasvi Healing. Now, I want to talk about what happens after you're separated or divorced in your environment, what exactly happens. Now, when I'm talking about environment, not just this change of place, if you have to move anywhere, not just that, but the people whom you're surrounded with and the both internal and external, I want to address that. What exactly happens? Through my experience, I didn't had a lot of close friends here in Australia because you can make friends, but it depends on how close you can get into. Me being an introvert, I was friendly with people, but I wouldn't say I really shared everything with everyone because for me, trust was the biggest thing. I could not trust people that easily. So being friends was different, but then sharing your fears, your everything was not something possible for me. So what happened was, for me, people were questioning me rather than understanding me. That's how I felt it. I could be not wrong because at that point of time that's how it was. So I had to ready to let go of these people. There was a fear as well. Like, if I'm going to let go of these people, I wouldn't have anyone to really talk to, or I wouldn't have any contact details of anyone to call. Because if I'm going to let go of them, so I had a very handful of people that I know, and I had to let them go. And it didn't happen all of a sudden, but it was a very clear decision that I had to take to let go of people. Not as that they were wrong or anything, it's just that they couldn't understand the depth or the intensity of the issue that I was facing. And so it happens. And when I spoke to others in, like, who have been divorced or separated even before me, and they have felt the same, and they had to let go many of their people whom they know, and this is very common. Now I want to say this very clearly because we think letting go of people, oh, this because I'm divorced and this is why I have to let go because they're not able to understand. That could be one part of it, but friends will come and go is a very natural process. And so let's not take it so personally that, oh, it's because I'm divorced, because I'm separated, now they have a different opinion about me and that's why they are talking or behaving in a different way, and so now I can't call them friends. Let it not be from that angle. Rather, understand friends, there are a group of people who will come into our life, and then there will be a group of people whom we have to move away from them, because it all depends on us and not them. Why I say us is because about the individual us, is because when I meet people, I might be in a certain level of understanding or awareness or in a lifestyle, or depending on many factors. At that point of time, these people were suited in that realm. And when I learn or being more aware, or I'm doing certain things in my life, then you definitely will move and you will see a different set of people. And these people, where the topics that they choose to talk or discuss may not be of real relevance or importance to you, and thereby the connection will naturally loosen, and it is a natural process. Likewise, when a situation has changed in your life, you were married, now you're separated or divorced, so it's not the same status, and it's not about good or bad, high or low, nothing like that. It's not the same, and that's the fact. They are the same, which means your problems, your approach towards life is definitely different to how they are seeing or where they are at. And naturally, this process is prone to happen. But I didn't have this much of clarity as to, as I'm how I'm explaining it now back then. But then I had to let go, deciding, okay, they don't really understand what is happening. But then I had this little hurt and sadness that, oh my god, people are not able to understand it. we don't understand many things that's happening around us. Let's be real, we don't understand everything that's happening around us. Say for instance, in a working environment, when your manager or your someone higher up says something, and we feel like, why is it coming up now? They know behind the scene, but we don't know. And probably they can only be transparent to a certain level for any reasons. So they only tell what we are supposed to know, but then we don't see beyond. But then rather we question, you don't say me things, or why are you giving up now? We whinge and sometimes we push back. So those things happens in our work environment as well. So these things, they're not able to understand us, is not a big thing. It's a very natural process, and if you are able to understand and accept and move on and find your own people where you would want to relate and talk to, and there would be a time where you will move on from there to a different place, and that's a very natural process. So your environment will definitely change, and it will keep changing, and that's the one thing that would be constant. You will not be having, and friends are different. Your core friend can be your core friend. Say for instance, my school friend who is now in Canada, but back in those days we didn't had this WhatsApp or Facebook, that wasn't so popular, or any such sort of social platforms. So we got connected after a long time in Facebook, and then we exchanged our WhatsApp numbers, and then we would message once in a while, because her life was entirely different and I'm here in Australia. And but then when she came down with her family a couple of years before, we were able to connect just like that, like as back in the school days. There's no barriers or nothing. We were able to open up and talk and share and everything, had a good laughter. And so your friends are your friends regardless, right? But certain things will change. Even with that friendship, it was not like a constant chat as how we were in the school days, but then the genuine connection was good. Likewise, things will change, environment will keep changing, and doesn't mean that, oh, it's because I am so and so, that's why this is happening. It's a very natural process, and take it as it goes. And the less we blame on situations or on people, the easier we can heal ourselves in a faster way. Let's put it that way. That's the quick fix, or the more the speedier way of healing ourselves. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share today. I wish you all really take care. I'll talk to you also.